collab with our workshop we have every month, and this is how to collaborate with competitors. So this is a little bit of a snapshot of what we are going to do in this workshop. So first we are going to talk about the values of collaboration, because we have values of competition and values of collaboration. So you have to have this mood as well, emotional mood as well to collaborate, and this mood as well for collaboration. And when we're talking to collaborate with competitors, we have the problem of this kind of more deep emotional. So it's very personal when you decide to collaborate with a competitor, even if it's only for a small project or a small collaboration for doing consulting together. I think this is very important to have this in mind. It's not easy, and we have to ask ourselves if there is more a values and personality emotional match, because it's tough already to work with competitors. So it's very important as well to have what is the objective of this collaboration. So we are going to open up the canvas of collaboration with competitors. It's part of the book Innovation and Collaboration in the Digital Era, in the chapter 5, one whole chapter only focused on collaboration with competitors. And as well, here we are going to talk about the skills you need to collaborate and how to have difficult conversations with competitors and how to build this collaborative mindset. And this is very funny. You know, there is this very popular case of PayPal and X, where Elon Musk and Peter Thiel, the two founders of the PayPal and X Pay, they were having problems to go to market because the times of the .com crisis. So they decide, even if they were competitors, to join forces and to say, okay, we are now going to be one. So they were there in the same village with the same type of idea and platform. And they decide, the both CEOs and founders, so Elon Musk and Peter Thiel, to connect and to have a conversation in a neutral place. That was a cafe in the middle of the two offices. And they were having, I think, a tough conversation and on how to collaborate, because they wanted to be successful. So they collaborate together to be successful in the market, in the payment market and industry. So this is a real case, and we know how everything ended up. So very, very successful PayPal, and both founders, very, very successful ones. And from this PayPal, you have this PayPal mafia of all the core of the leadership who are very successful now in the market as well, like LinkedIn and Peter Thiel as an investor, but as well, we have other, you know, the initial founders of YouTube, and as well now, well, everyone knows Elon Musk with Tesla and SpaceX. So I think it's very important to see this sometimes as an opportunity and how you can be successful on collaborating with your competitor in the long run. So see you on Friday. This Friday at 12 noon CET, as all our workshops at Collabwith. And if you are interested to join, you have to be a premium member of Collabwith. So you can go to collabwith.co/memberships to select your premium membership and then join our Friday workshop. So see you next week, super innovators. Bye.